My Amazon FBA student, Nick, is doing over $25,000 per month. Check it out. All right, so we're at an outdoor summer convention, and I ran into one of my students, Nick, and we started talking about your Amazon business, and he's just gonna give us a quick update, and you're crushing it. Tell us about it.
Since working with Trevin, the sales have exploded. Like, I feel like you just have the process and the outline, and then as long as you execute on that outline, like, we got success.
Dude, that's awesome. So you were saying that last week you did how many units are exploded just like out of nowhere?
Yeah, average units, we were doing like 30 a day, and then in the last week it exploded to over like 90, so tripled our sales in the last week.
Dude, that's awesome. Inspiring story, Nick. I appreciate it. Yeah, super funny coincidence that we ran into each other here.
Totally.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks, Dan.
Now, that video was not planned. I ran into him out of coincidence at a convention, and we filmed that quick video, and for me, it is inspiring. It's motivating, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Nick started just like you from absolutely nothing, from zero to now doing over $25,000 per month. And my question is, are you going to be next? And you might be in the situation where you're like, I just don't know if it's for me. I don't know if I can do it. I just don't think there's any opportunity left. And I want to be very, very clear. There is so much opportunity, and it's just whether or not you are willing to put in the work and take advantage of the opportunity. And if you are, I want to help you through the entire process just like I helped Nick. What we do is we make your life easy by finding and helping you pick a winning product. So me and my team will actually find a product for you, we'll verify it, and we'll give it to you, just like I did with Nick. I found him a product, I verified it, and then I gave it to him, and he turned it into a massive success by following our A to Z process. So if you guys are interested, go to the link down below. You guys can fill out a completely free application and see if you guys qualify for a free consultation, and we will break down how we can help you avoid the mistakes that new sellers make. One failed product will cost you thousands, if not tens of thousands. And so investing in yourself and into our program, we will help you eliminate those mistakes and pitfalls because we are going to find and pick a winning product for you. So that is the story of Nick. Now I want to dive into another story of another student where we helped him through the entire A to Z process, just like Nick, and his name is Peter. We helped him on a coaching call find an amazing product. We helped him figure out a way to improve it, differentiate it, and he went to launch it, and within the first 3 weeks, I'll put a screenshot, he scaled to over $17,000 and is crushing it. And now fast forward to today, he's doing over 20K per month with one single product. And it's because he invested in himself. He got himself a mentor. We were able to help him find and verify a winning product. So again, if you guys are interested, we would love to help you through the entire process. And I'm sharing you guys these results to show you that number one, this is a legitimate opportunity. Number two, investing in yourself and in your business is going to be one of the best decisions that you've ever made, period. Because again, one failure, one losing product can cost you tens of thousands, and we want to help you avoid that. And lastly, I want to end on my results, what I am currently doing, because there are so many coaches and people that are trying to teach how to sell on Amazon, yet they don't even sell on Amazon themselves. So I have proof in the pudding. My students are getting results, and not only are my students getting results, but I'm getting results myself. So I'm going to dive into my screen, and I'm going to show you guys my first account and what I've done in the last 30 days, just to show you guys that this opportunity is real, no BS, no fluff. As you can see right here, $1,200 today. And in the last 30 days, we've done just over $60,000. $60,000 with my one account. So that's one account. I've got two accounts. I want to show you guys my other one. And then my second account, as you can see, we've done just over 1,000 for the day. And in the last 30 days, we've done just over 58,000. So we are doing close to $120,000 in the US marketplace selling on Amazon. Now, if you think that Amazon is dead and there's no opportunity, well, that's a lie, because I'm living proof. My students are living proof. We have testimonial after testimonial. We have more results than anyone that I know. So if you guys are serious, if you guys want to learn the entire process and jump to your end goal a lot quicker, then invest in yourself. Get on a free consultation. Click the link down below. We will see if we're a good fit. We'll break down the entire process, and we would love to have you into the Amazon Champion program. Just like Nick, just like Peter, just like Denise. We'll highlight Denise real quick. She launched her first product, scaled it to over $18,000 in her first month selling her first product, and it's because she invested it in herself. You guys can read the testimonials of the students. I promise if you put in the work, if you guys follow our A to Z process, you guys can crush it on Amazon. You guys can go and build a life-changing brand business selling products on Amazon. If you guys are serious, again, go to the link down below. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, supporting the channel. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope that this video inspired and motivated you. If it did, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, share the channel with a friend, go watch the 300 plus videos that I have on the channel completely free for you guys to take advantage of. And again, we are here to help you succeed, and we want you to succeed. For me, that's what gets me up in the morning. Having interviews and experiences with Nick, that's what gets me so hyped up and inspired and motivated to help you. So I want to turn you into the next student success story. Again, click the link down below. I just want to say thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.